Hey, Honors Algebra students, Mr. Lawrence here, and I'm going to make a couple quick videos. This one's going to be one example of doing parallel and perpendicular when you have an equation and you have to write the parallel equation and the perpendicular equation that pass through a specific point. And this line will not be vertical or horizontal. And then I will make a second video where I specifically talk about vertical and horizontal. Okay, so let's get started on this. All right, we've got this line 3x minus 4y equals 1. And we want the equation of a line parallel to it. Well, parallel lines have the same slope. So the first thing we need to do is find the slope of the original line. Well, if I go A, B, C, easy as 3, negative 4, 1, right? And my slope shortcut is the negative of A over B. Well, A is 3, so I need the negative of A, so I have negative 3 over B, which is negative 4, so my slope is 3/4, right? Because the two negatives cancel out. Now to do the parallel line, it's real easy. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the parallel slope. Well, duh, Mr. Lawrence, the parallel slope is the same. Of course it is. Right. Okay. So now I'm going to go point slope form. Why am I doing that? Because I know an x-coordinate and I know a y-coordinate. And I'm going to substitute the x-coordinate, the y-coordinate, and the parallel slope into that equation, the point slope equation. That will give me an equation of a line parallel to the original line. It won't be the same line, it'll have a different y-intercept, but it will be parallel. Now, by the way, I'll convert that to slope-intercept form. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to have y minus negative 4, which is plus 4. That will equal 3/4 times the quantity of x minus 12, right? This equation, if I go to Desmos and I type that equation in, and I type in 3x minus 4y equals 1, I guarantee you they will be parallel. All right, so now I'm going to simplify this to slope-intercept form. So I'll distribute first of all, right? And so I'm going to get y plus 4 equals 3/4 x minus, I think that's going to be 9, right? 4 is going to be 12 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. All right, and I don't like this 4 here, so I'll subtract 4 from both sides. And when I do that, I will get y equal to 3/4 x minus 13. And there you go. This equation is parallel to the original equation, and it's written in slope-intercept form. Now I have to do a perpendicular one as well. I'll do that one in a different color. Perpendicular. Now we know that perpendicular lines, their slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. So if the first slope was 3/4, the perpendicular slope, and perpendicular, is going to be negative 4/3. Now the reason these problems are so easy is I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to take the y value, the x value, the slope, perpendicular slope this time, and substitute them into a point slope equation. So do y minus negative 4, which is y plus 4, equals negative 4/3 times the quantity of x minus 12. All right, so I'm going to get y plus 4. That'll equal negative 4/3, sorry, x. It'll be a positive here, because when I multiply a negative times a negative, I'll get a positive. 3 will go into 12 4 times. 4 times 4 will be 16. One more step, subtract that 4. And I'll get y equal to negative 4/3 x plus 12. And there you go. There's the perpendicular line. Okay, that should do it for this video. I don't want to do like 10 other examples. If you have any questions, email me. But again, do it on Saturday because Sunday is just going to be very busy for me. I probably won't see it till it's too late to benefit you. All right, that's it for the video. Mr. Lawrence signing off. Don't forget, I'm going to make one about horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, have a good night, everybody.